Hello and welcome back to my travel vlog. My name is Fiona and I'm trying to go on adventures around the world without leaving my house because we are currently still in a lockdown. So I've been trying to cook meals from different places, where I've been and where I've made vlogs from. And today I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm going to make something from a place I've been but I've never actually made a vlog from. Today I'm going to make chocolate brownies. Things that I have cooked and baked. I don't actually have a precise pinpoint of where this was invented in history. However, the common consensus is that it was in America in the 19th century. And it was a lady called Bertha Palmer, who was a Chicago socialite, who asked her chef, or her pastry chef, to make a cake dessert thing that would fit into ladies' lunch boxes for an event that they were holding. And he went away and whipped up the chocolate brownie. This chocolate brownie had walnuts and an apricot glaze in it. However, I'm just going to make normal plain good chocolate ones. Now this baking item became more and more popular throughout the 20th century in America and Canada and was really popularised by a lady called Fanny Farmer. Yeah. So first things first, before we get started, I'm going to set the oven to 140 degrees if you've got a fan oven. Okay, so the recipe doesn't actually call for many ingredients. There's only 5. You need some self-raising flour, some eggs, some cocoa powder, some room temperature butter, and some sugar. So I'm going to start by preparing everything. I'm going to measure out everything I need and beat the eggs. Said to Sean I was going to half the recipe to make half the brownies so that we didn't eat all the brownies. However, I'm not going. I'm going to make 12 to 15 brownies out of this, hopefully, over multiple dishes because I don't have the recommended size of dish. I also still don't have my scales, so I'm still using cups. You need all of this and all of this. And the first thing we're going to do is melt these two together in a pot. So once it's fully melted, we're going to sieve in our cocoa and flour mixture. I can't bear the thought of seeing you.
Look at that!
And now I'm going to gradually add in the beaten eggs. We should have this kind of texture. Very runny looking, but believe me, it makes very, very moist brownies.
Live across the park from me in a place that steers a tiptoe view.
A good size dish has last night's leftover lasagna in it, and it's just not worth the beefy taste that would be in the brownies.
Went away.
Yum.
So I found a room in a leafy street with a stranger.
40 to 45 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, starting now.
Remember my new way home. What happens sometimes steers me down.
Alexa, how long left on the timer?
You have 18 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
18 minutes. So that's timer up for 40 minutes. I'm just going to check them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a knife. I'm going to dip it in, and if it comes out with stuff all over it, they're not ready. Not yet. So here are my brownies. 2 bowls. One actually looks a wee bit better cooked than the other one. However, they both smell incredible. So the whole kitchen and the whole household smells like amazing baking. So I'm just going to let these cool just now, and then I'm going to cut them up.
Oh, I just can't look. I can't bear the thought of seeing you.
Okay, ta-da! We have 15 brownies cooked to a gooey, chewy perfection. And I'm probably going to freeze half of them so that I don't eat them all right away. But it's very easy. It's just 5 ingredients. Fire them in a pot. Put them in the oven. I think I cooked them for just over an hour for this batch. So give it a try and let me know how you get on in the comments.